Yeah, so very good evening, everyone. This is Yanu from Bollywood Couch, and thank you so much for joining us live. I would like to thank all our associates, our beauty partner Vedi, makeup and hair partner Dishanu Bora, accessories partner Truly Mittala, community partner V, media partner Expansion Digital PR, food partners Machi and Indie Fair, and education partner SSS Academy. Success is not the key to success. Happiness, indeed, is the key to success. Today, we have a versatile personality with us who is an actor, model, fashion designer, image consultant, activist, and also the winner of Mrs. India Universe 2020 Quarantine Queen. She has done more than 600 TV commercials and is an extremely familiar face in the TV shows with popular roles in Ishq Par Zor Nahi, Ek Deewana Tha, Ram Siya Ke Love Kush, Chandrakanta, and many more. She was featured in many Bollywood blockbusters like Ready, Chilla Party, Rowdy Rathore, Shootout at Vadala, Chitkabre, and etc. As a fashion designer, she has designed costumes for movies such as Road, Munna Bhai MBBS, Krish, Company, and many more. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's welcome Jaswinder Gardner, the epitome of beauty and talent. Okay, so I can see Jaswinder. Jaswinder, could you please type something? Okay. Okay, so I just got her.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
hi, how are you?
Hi. How are you?
I'm great. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. You're looking so pretty yourself.
Thank you so much. It's so lovely to have you with us.
Thank you so much.
All right, so let's start to know about you because all our audience are waiting to know so much about you. So everyone, let me say that we are so proud to have the world's first actor to be certified mind trainer with us today, who has been playing multiple roles, being a model, actor, fashion designer, and brand ambassador successfully. So let's hear her inspiring journey from Jaswinder herself. Please tell us all about yourself.
Well, I started my journey almost 19 years back into this field. I always wanted to be an actor, but somehow I come from a very conservative Sikh family. So obviously, I was denied, uh, you know, to get into acting field. So I had only another option, which was fashion designing, which I really used to like. In case if my parents didn't allow me, so I had that backup in my mind. Ki, okay, chalo, I'll do that. So that's how like I told my parents, ki, okay, if you don't want me to get into acting, I would love to pursue my fashion designing as a career. So my parents were kind enough. They sent me to Bombay to learn fashion designing from JD Institute of Fashion Technology. That was after my 12th, and I also I got into Mithibai in the first year,
Oh, wow.
TY. Yes, so along with my studies, I was also doing fashion designing course, and then after a few years, after say 2 3 years, I got a job here, and my parents they didn't allow me to stay here though. Like they said, okay, 1 year
Oh,
of your designing, it was just 1 year course, and they said, after you finish that, you have to come back. But somehow, like I really had a deep desire to stay back in Bombay because I love this city. I love the whole culture. I love everything about this place. It was so vibrant, and this is where I felt I
yes,
belonged. So
yes.
I didn't want to go back, but my parents, they were a little skeptical, though my uncle was staying here. But I couldn't stay with them for a longer time. So they said, no, you can't be there, you have to come back. So I went back, but somehow, like when you have, कहते हैं ना, जब आपको बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज को चाहते हो, तो like how
Yes,
God makes it happen for
true.
you. So लोग कहते हैं
Yes,
कि universe conspires, but
yes,
I would
universe.
say कि
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
God allows it, God gives you.
To happen,
I got it that
to
way.
happen.
So it just happened that I after I actually I did 1 year of like TY first year I did from Mithibai, but then because I could not continue college, I was not present, so I cannot be absent, and just come and give the exam. So I had to shift to Bombay University to complete my graduation. Hence, I remember third year I came to give my exams, and I went and met, my faculties in JD's Institute just to say hi to them. And one of the faculty, she had got a job in some place, and she said that she won't be able to do it, and she asked me if I was ready to take that job because she's getting married. And I just grabbed that opportunity. I said, wow. And I was supposed to go back to Patna. Yes. So I went, I gave the interview. This lady, she liked me, and I got selected. And she said, when can you work? When can you start your work? I said, I have to take permission from my dad. I can do from tomorrow only, but my parents asked me to come back. So let me figure out with them. So they were saying, no, you're not going to do the job and all. But somehow my mom, she's always been very supportive, and she always believed that a girl should have a career, because she was always wanted to have a career, which she could not. So she knows the importance of a woman being independent. So somehow she said, okay, you come back, we'll discuss, and you can resume your job, okay, after a week. And they were kind enough. I went and I spoke to them. I convinced them, and they allowed me. So then when I started working as a designer, I got an opportunity to work because I was staying in a hostel. So there was a roommate of mine. She was working with Plus Channel, and I used to tell her, I said, I want to work in the film industry as a designer. I want to be because I was so attracted, so charmed by this industry. I want to be a part of it, whether as an actor or whether as a technician or whether as whatever. I just want to be a part of this industry, So she said, okay, if there is a vacancy, I will let you know. So I said, okay, fine.
Wow.
So how God has been so kind to me. She told me that after a few months that they are looking for the company I'm working in. They do a lot of TV shows and all. That was called Plus Channel during that time. That company closed down after a couple of years, but they had made several films, art films, and they made several TV shows. Like Swabhiman and Kabhi Kabhi, those were the initial soap opera.
Yeah, those were
which was very popular. Yeah,
very, very popular. Yes, very, very popular.
Yes. So I had the opportunity of working for Kabhi Kabhi show. Swabhiman was already been done by some senior designer, but then I was working under her, and I was handling Kabhi Kabhi. That's when I kind of saw all these actors, and I was so mesmerized with them, and I was in awe of them. I said, oh my God, I wish I could face the camera. I wish I was an actor. But I was still a very timid child. I was still a timid girl and very shy. Even though I was a very good dancer, I used to love dancing. I used to do a lot of these performances in school, and they used to have. I used to choreograph and all that for colleges and all. So that way I was very confident in dancing, but when it comes to acting and communicating, it was I was a little kind of nervous, So, but I still wanted to do it. And somehow when all these actors, they saw me, they would tell me कि ये तुम्हारे को तो कैमरे के आगे रहना चाहिए, तुम कैमरे के पीछे क्या कर रहे हो? कपड़ों के साथ क्या कर रहे हो? So I would be very innocently telling them, हाँ, पर मेरे मम्मी पापा मेरे को अलाउ नहीं करते, बहुत मन है. I was very naive and very, very, very innocent. So somehow, Kunika ji, I can never forget. I'll be always obliged to what she did for me. She really changed my life. She was so helpful, even though she played negative, but she's a gem of a person by heart. She's really one of the best people I've ever met. She saw that in me, and she's like, I'll help you. Can you imagine somebody coming up to you and telling, I'll help you? You want to do a portfolio? I said, yeah, but I don't have money. It's very expensive. She said, okay, I know somebody. He can just do it for you. What you can pay? I said, this is my salary, and I can only pay this much. She said, okay, let me talk to him. She made me talk to this person. He got my portfolio done. Her brother was also getting into acting that time. She made sure he took me around to circulate my pictures.
Lovely.
He helped me in everything. I'm
This is
I'm
so great.
forever obliged to her, seriously. And that time, in that 1 year span, I did like number of TV commercials. I did a lot of ramp shows, and I got opportunity. I got selected for some TV soap, this daily soap also. But somehow, you know how like again your destiny, some things doesn't happen at a
Yes,
certain time, it's not meant to
true.
happen.
Completely
So
agree.
somehow, yeah, so somehow like I was actually, I started dating somebody that time, and he was from the field, and that's the biggest mistake somebody can do. So you should, like, you are I feel like, you know, when you are actually focusing on your career, you should not get diverted, you know, distracted by
Mm.
these kind of things. I
Mm.
just feel, but anyway, we all, you know, make mistakes. So somehow, so I was
Yeah.
told, no, but, and my parents were very happy. They were also, we were very serious. Like my parents were very happy. अच्छा 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 family, अच्छा
शादी कर
industry
लो.
में रहना है, शादी कर लेंगे, हाँ तब तुम कुछ करो. पहली बात है, they were all very shocked to know that I got into modeling without their permission. I never took their permission. I just got
Mm.
into it. I
Mm.
did an ad.
Mm.
I did one or two ads, and my relatives spotted me. अरे ये तो my
Ooh.
nickname is Ritu. They were like, अरे ये तो Ritu है, ये तो उसकी photo है. And my parents are, हैं ये Ritu की photo है, and they're calling me, you know, what the hell are you doing? So they would be like more than happy if I got married, you know. So somehow, like, I was forced to quit, basically. In short, I
Oh.
was forced to
Oh.
quit after 1 year, but
Oh.
I did have a lot of good experience, good memories. I made some good friends, but I was always sad in my heart that, you know, something I really wanted to do, and I want to
Yeah,
achieve
it was just
there, you
sticking
know, and I
out.
want to reach there, and I just suddenly dropped down, like, like that.
Yeah.
So I still accepted it. I said, okay, maybe I'm not meant. I believed I'm not meant to be there. I believe that I am meant to be just a housewife, or maybe do a little bit of here and there, something that I like to do, but that's not my destiny. I just thought like that. I believed that.
Mm.
And I accepted what was happening, but somehow that didn't work out because certain reason I don't want to talk about it. But I got back into
Mm.
designing, and I started actually working for feature films as a designer. So I
Oh.
had the opportunity of working with for Ram Gopal Verma's film. I did costumes for
Mm.
Antra
Lovely.
Mali. Then I
Wow.
I did Krish too. I worked with I worked for the entire cast, and then in Munna Bhai MBBS, I did the costumes for Arshad Varsi. You know that Munna ka jo costume, that black costume and all
I
that,
know.
and rest of the other
Oh,
cast.
wow. Lovely.
So I had the opportunity to work with them. Then I worked with, in fact, Irfan Khan also for a movie, Sade Saath Fere, with Juhi Chawla, with Mahima Chaudhary, and so quite a lot of things. I had the opportunity, but that was it. I was very honest in my work. I was very sincere. I'm a very sincere, hardworking, honest person by nature. So I was doing everything, though I always felt that I was being taken for granted and people wouldn't pay me. So I was sometimes I used to cry that what's happening? I'm working hard and why is this happening to me and all that. So, anyways, so somehow, let me put it in short that actually then after I got married, I was continuing my designing. So after I got married and I had my first child, and then somehow it was very difficult for me to manage designing with the baby and home and everything. It was quite time consuming. So I had to kind of, my mother-in-law and my husband said you should take a break, because right now you're overworking yourself and you're not neglecting, but somehow you're neglecting your own health, and you know the child is also would get affected. So just take it easy. So I just kind of stopped it for a while, and then somehow it was also the need, I would say, and it was also something because I was a kind of person, I've been working since the age of 16. So I can't imagine myself sitting at home and doing nothing and just watching TV. That was not me. I can't do that. You know, I have to have something going on. I want to do this, and this finishes, and that finishes. I'm like that energy I have. So I just asked my husband once, because my pastor's wife would I lost a lot of weight. I became very fat during my pregnancy, and then I lost a lot of weight. I became like slimmer than I used to be before, like when I got married. So I was looking nicer and younger probably. So though I was young, so I was kind of encouraged by my pastor's wife that she said, why don't you just get into modeling? Because you can just do ads, right? You don't have to give so much of time. And you have a face, you've already done that. And why don't you just do it? I said, when my parents stopped me from pursuing my acting career, how can I expect my husband to allow me? I said, he won't allow me. So, but somehow I was like, actually surprised, because I just went and I asked, the power of asking. You need to ask sometimes.
True.
So I asked my husband, I said, it's just a thought, if you could allow me, can I just do ads? I mean, the auditions are just close by, nearby. Earlier it used to be in Mahalakshmi. Now I heard that auditions are happening close by. I stay at Andheri. He said, okay. I mean, when he said, okay, I was like, oh really? Are you serious? I said, yeah, okay, yeah, you can do it. I don't mind. I said, I tell you, that was a turning point in my life. He said, just do it. And I started, every second day I used to go for auditions when my child would be sleeping, like in the afternoon, I would go for auditions. And then I gradually, pretty soon, I started getting ads, little, not too many. Like I started getting one ad, then after a few days, another ad. And then slowly, ads started happening. And then people started liking my work. And that's how the ad thing started. Then movies, I was approached for films, then TV shows and stuff like that. And that's how, the rest is history.
Wow. This is so inspiring. It is so true that when we want something so desperately and we are very focused and things actually start happening our way. And I think you were a true example of it, not giving up, getting married when the career was at a peak. You got married, you had your first child, and then still you did not give up, and you just banged on into it. And this is really wonderful. And all our audience has loved it, because I can see all the hearts going up. This is very inspiring.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you.
All right. So you have done more than 600 TV commercials, and we have also heard that you have got the title the Queen of Ads.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about it, and how do you prepare differently for all the brands? Because in an ad, it's basically the brand that they want to promote. So how do you prepare yourself differently for all the different brands?
See, actually, one very good thing happens for ads, especially, I would say, we do meet the director before we shoot, right? So there is a costume trial, and then we meet the director. So he tells us exactly what he's looking at. Because when we give our audition and then when we get selected, what happens, that's our perception. We think and we do in our own way, but that is not exactly what the director is looking at. Maybe they liked your performance. Maybe it's somewhere, say 80% or 70% closer to what they're looking at, and that's how they select you. And if it is like the closest could be like 90%, then nothing like it. But somewhere, if you are somewhere close to what they're looking at, say even 70%, then you are in. And then what happens, and they tell you their point of view, that what they are exactly looking for. And then they'll tell you, this is what you did, but we want you to keep this, but we want you to change this. So then you think over it, you practice there. And then, so next day when you are on the set, you know exactly what you need to do. And then that's not it. Like they then make you do a couple of other variations, because you have the agency, you have the client, like whose product you're actually, endorsing. So they want you to speak in a certain way so that it can touch the masses, and, it can, they have to promote the product. So we should be able to deliver the things that they want us to do, and kind of send across a message to the people. So that's how we practice. We practice beforehand. We meet up and we kind of discuss the characters, who's playing what and what they're supposed to do. So we kind of do rehearsal also. So there's a rehearsal also beforehand. So sometimes, like I mean, it could be a comical ad. Like I've been lucky enough to do a lot of variety because I've done musical also, I've done
Yeah.
comedy also, I've done some very snooty women, like, you know, I've played a snooty woman, I've played a, you know, a very sweet housewife and a, you know, loving, doting mother also. So everything
Completely
I've had the
versatile.
opportunity. So it's been fun. So this is how we prepare. So it all depends on what the director wants, what the agency is looking at, especially from the point of view of the client, because that's their product and they have to present it to the public, right, to the masses, so that their product is sold. So that's
Yes.
how we do it.
Oh, wow. So you say that the director's guidance, what they say, you know, how they expect the brand to be sold to the audience, that is a similar way that you have to perform yourself, right? Okay. Okay. All right. So you have shared screen space with many iconic actors like Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, Ayushmann Khurrana, Manoj Bajpayee, and many others. So, any tips to on how to prepare yourself equivalently to match such an actor in the screen?
See, to be very honest, it is very natural to feel butterflies in your stomach. I felt nervous. I remember first time when I did, which movie was that? Yeah, first I did was Ready. Yes, in front of Salman Khan and Paresh Rawal. I was so nervous. I can't tell you. I was so nervous. I said, इनके सामने मैं dialogue बोलूंगी, but I like kept telling myself, no, I can do it. You know, you have to motivate yourself. You have to say that yes, I can do it. I was praying to my God, please help me. I need to do it. So I was like trying to calm myself. Okay, so the best tip I can give you, one very important tip I can give you, is to calm yourself down. Don't get. I know you will get nervous, but you have to calm yourself down and focus. Focus on what you have to perform, your lines, and you know why you're there, what you have to do. The other person is your co-actor, so you think like that way, and you should be a good listener also. So the dialogues they are saying, so yours, it's like a give and take, right? So you have to be quite alert. You should be a good listener, and you should focus on what you have to perform. These are the tips you need to keep in mind. Not get nervous. I know it's easier said than done, but yes, you have to practice that.
So basically, it's to to calm yourself and then focus and then enhance the listening abilities and then just focus on the role. Okay, that's
Yes,
awesome.
yes.
That's really awesome. So, so you are a very popular face in the daily soaps with very, very popular roles. So, according to you, how performing for TVC, movies and serials differ from each other?
I tell you, TVC is more natural, very natural. They like very, very subtle expressions. Yeah, somewhere where they tell you, कि no, we want OTT, थोड़ा loud करो, then we can go loud. Otherwise, if we do TV performance in ads, they say, यार, ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, थोड़ा कम करो, ये TV वाला नहीं चाहिए. So in fact, they've told couple of times. I've seen like. मतलब मैंने पहले सुना है, फिर बाद में तो मुझे आदत पड़ गई ना, मैं टीवी के लिए जाती हूँ तो मैं टीवी जैसा करती हूँ, सीरियल के लिए मतलब एड्स के लिए जाती हूँ तो मेरा नेचुरली हो ही जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट बिकॉज नाउ आई एम यूज्ड टू वर्किंग फॉर ऑल द मीडियम्स, सो इट्स फाइन, इट कम्स नेचुरली टू मी. बट स्टार्टिंग में बहुत मुश्किल होता है, तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो एज अ एक्टर कि यहाँ पे ऐसा बोलना है तो मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ, मैं तो एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ. एक्टिंग नहीं करनी होती है कभी. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू जस्ट बी वेरी नेचुरल, स्पेशली फॉर टीवीसीज. मूवीज में भी दे लुक वेरी नेचुरल, एंड थोड़ा सीरियल में होता है कि आप नेचुरली कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं, लेकिन थोड़े वहाँ लाउड एक्सप्रेशंस चाहिए होते हैं फॉर द इम्पैक्ट, बिकॉज अ स्मॉल मीडियम एंड द ऑडियंस दे कनेक्ट विद दैट काइंड ऑफ expressions, probably that kind of performances more, because they need to see that reactions, you know. तो इसीलिए शायद हमको बोला जाता है ऐसा करो. Otherwise, I don't think so. There should be any difference. I don't think so. I don't believe कि होना चाहिए. Acting acting होती है और natural performance ही होनी चाहिए. बहुत acting कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should come very naturally. So you should be the character, you should feel the character, and people should connect with you like that character. You know, the audience has to connect with you. That's very important.
Wow. So I think there is a character which you're performing. The name is Tabizi. Everyone is just, asking about it, and everyone is talking about it. It seems in the comments by our audience.
Yeah, I played Tabizi in Ye Jadoo Hai Jinka par Star Plus. Yes,
Oh, lovely.
I
Lovely. There are
really,
fans which have, yeah, there are fans who have come across the country and even outside the country, it seems. People
oh,
from
how
Malaysia has
sweet.
also
Thank you
joined.
so
Yeah.
much. Oh, so sweet of them. Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here and for loving my, my character, my role. Thank you so much. Seriously. It's because of these guys. I mean, like, I can't thank them enough for all the love they always shower. It's
Wow.
so sweet.
Yeah, this is very beautiful. All right, so now we will have a small rapid fire round. I'll
Yes.
ask you 5 questions. So one by one, I'll ask you, but you don't have to think much. You just have to say whatever comes first in your mind. Okay.
ठीक है.
So your first question is, what did you read most recently?
Many Masters, Many Lives is the one I'm still reading. Actually, I haven't completed yet.
Wow, it's a lovely book indeed.
Yes,
Who's your first celebrity crush?
Rishi Kapoor.
Oh.
Yeah, I used to be so small, but I used to just find him so cute.
Wow. Where would you go on a perfect road trip?
Goa.
Yeah, Goa. What's your favorite exercise?
I love yoga.
Yoga. All right. And what's your mission in life?
My mission in life is to spread love, happiness, and success for everyone. In fact, I am working on my mission, and I want to, do so much from my end that at least I can contribute to making this world a beautiful place.
Oh, lovely. So there are fans from Pakistan as well. They are saying love from Pakistan. Wow, this is amazing, huh? You have
Hello,
fans all over the
everyone.
world, it seems.
Hi.
This is so
Love to
wonderful.
all of you. Sorry?
You have fans all over the world, it seems. It is so wonderful. And again, there is some character named Savitri, I think, which you had played,
Yes.
and they are also
Yes.
talking about that. So you
Yes.
are you are
I've
very
got
popular in the TVC. Yeah.
God's grace and all my fans,
Yes,
they love.
absolutely. Wonderful. So, you are a national goodwill ambassador for the Pink Ribbon, which is a breast cancer awareness initiative. So, any message about it which you would like to share with all our audience?
Yes. See what happens most of the time, women know they are so busy taking care of the family that they forget their own self, their own body, what their body needs, what they need. So they stop paying attention to themselves. So that's where uh, you know somehow they are probably suffering from something and they ignore, and then it finally becomes bigger, and then it's difficult to cure them later. So this is what I want to tell every woman, every girl, that in case if they do see something, some lump or any kind of growth, so do not ignore it. And even if they find their sister or mother talking about it, let them not ignore it. Just take them to the hospital, take them to the doctor, get them checked, so that you can nip it in the blood, at the bud only. You can nip it in the blood, in the bud, so that there is no problem later. So because later when it becomes more severe, then you can't do anything about it. So they have to start taking care of themselves. So that is very important. So pay attention to yourself. That's what I want to say.
Your body. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a message for you. That your friend Priscilla from South Africa has managed to connect, and she's mentioned
Oh,
that you are inspiration of a woman actually.
oh, so
She's
sweet.
joined.
Hi,
She's
Priscilla.
joined.
So sweet. Yeah, we met like a couple of years back, and she's a wonderful lady.
Lovely. Lovely. Okay, so so we have heard about your camping of Save Water. So what inspired you to start this camping?
Actually, during the lockdown, when the corona thing happened, and all these experts from WHO, they were, teaching everybody how they can wash their hands. So what I observed, that when they are teaching them, they're explaining how they can wash their hands, like rub it here, there. By the time they're teaching them everything, the tap is flowing, the water is, tap is on, the water is flowing. I don't know how many liters of water must have got wasted while they were just teaching, people how to, wash their hands properly and all that. So I was wondering, maybe they can afford to do that there, but we, in a country like India, we can't afford to do that. And if they are if you're showing a video like that, you're sending across a wrong message. So we cannot, like people try to, the funniest part is that people learn the wrong things faster. So you will not probably pay attention to how to wash, and we say, "Pani khol do aur karte raho, chalo." So this is very easy. So I just thought कि मैंने तो खुद देखा है कि अच्छे खासे एजुकेटेड लोग भी ऐसे कर रहे हैं. मैंने खुद देखा है कि लोग, when you have the maids over, they when they're washing buttons, they leave the tap open.
Dishes, yeah.
कपड़े धो रहे हैं तो टैप ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है, मतलब खोल दिया और ऑन कर दिया, और ऊपर से ये बकेट ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है. मतलब पानी तो ऐसे वेस्ट होता है, कुछ भी पड़ा बकेट में, कल का पानी पड़ा तो फेंक दो, like these kind of things. So you are wasting water. और वो पानी कुछ शहरों में, कुछ शहरों में नहीं बोलेंगे, छोटी सी जो टाउन्स हैं या विलेजेस में, लोगों को कितने मील चल के जाना पड़ता है टू गेट वाटर, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. दे डोंट हैव ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. So and they get dirty water at times to drink. So I'm so sad, and here we have
How sad about
water coming to us, clean water coming to us, and we just waste it. So it is really sad. So एक बंदा तो नहीं कर सकता. It's just that मैं अपनी तरफ से कोशिश किया मैंने कि I can just spread awareness कि it is every individual's duty to become responsible citizens. So why don't you stop in your own individual houses? So once you stop, every house stops that, automatically there will be no shortage of water in our city. There will be no shortage of water in our country. Probably the water they are diverting to our cities or towns, that water, that surplus water can be diverted to some other towns, where there is no reach. They can take there. So we have to become responsible citizens. And then, like, children are brushing their teeth, then the water is on. तो कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, तो मैं ये बोलती हूँ, आप बच्चों को जो आप करोगे, बच्चे वो सीखेंगे. So we have to also understand. We have to teach our children these things so that they don't do the mistakes. अभी हम लोग अगर आज कुछ बचाते हैं, तो we are actually doing it for our children, right? We are doing for our children only, right? So if you're not going to teach them, they will not be able to do that for their children. So start doing it for your children only. If you're saving water, you're doing it for your children. You're saving resources, you're doing it for your own children. So think like that.
Yes.
And when they will learn that their parents are doing this, they're so responsible, they will you don't have to tell them. They just imitate you. They do what you do.
Yes.
They don't do what you say. They do what you do. So we have to be an example.
What you do, yes. Yes. I have seen, in your Instagram, that camping, I had seen a very nice tip which was shared. Someone was just sharing, I think someone whom you had mentioned, and that AC water which falls, and not to waste that water. You can just store that water and you can water your plants. And that is actually so good, that it can be done so easily. And we I think most of the people waste that water. We never even think that it has been wasted. I think that is also, it's a very good initiative. And it's so rightly mentioned by you that when if we want the world to change, I think the change starts with oneself. So if one person changes, if we can spread the message, I believe that that the world will change one day for sure. This is such a wonderful camping which you have started. This is so much needed in India.
I want people, because last year I did it like quite strongly. This year I've been just posting some post to like a reminder to them. There was a challenge I had taken, I had kind of started last year. But then, yeah, it's like it's a reminder that everybody needs to keep giving themselves on a regular basis. कि नहीं, आज मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, आज मैं बचाऊँगा, you know, आज मैं waste नहीं करूँगा resource. So it is like one day reminder to, you don't have to say कि मैं एक महीना नहीं बचाऊँगा. कम से कम ये बोलो कि मैं आज का दिन बचाऊँगा. So if you say
आज
that
का
to
दिन
yourself
बचाऊंगा,
every
yes.
day, so every day it becomes a habit. So to form a habit, you just have to tell yourself कि मैं आज का दिन बचाऊँगा. So that is important.
This
And
is
you will
nice.
find
This
ways
is very
to do
nice,
it.
actually. Yes. Okay. So there is a message from one of the question from your fan. I think that is this could have been covered in the rapid fire round. What was your most embarrassing moment?
Most embarrassing moment. Most embarrassing moment. As often I can't remember. Most embarrassing. क्या था? अभी मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है. याद आएगा and by end of
Okay.
the
Okay.
chat तो then I'll
End
tell
of the
you all.
interview, we can, yeah, surely. Okay. So we have heard that that from the very next month you were starting with the Jaswinder Gardner School of Acting, and you have shared with us earlier that this acting school is going to be first in the world of its kind. So would like to know more about it from you.
Well, I'm really very, very excited to announce that like I'm starting something for everyone. Basically, I'll tell you the idea to start this kind of a school, why it came to me. See, there's so many schools. I never thought of actually starting a school a couple of years back. So, if I talk about my journey into acting, so I also kind of had my challenges. And I felt यार कुछ नहीं हो रहा, जितना जो मुझे चाहिए वैसा मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ यार, कोई गाइड करने के लिए नहीं है, किससे पूछूं, किसके पास टाइम नहीं है, what else I can do. And I'm a person of, like, of integrity. I'm a person of principles. I like to do certain things in a certain way. I'm pretty like that kind of a person. So and I'm a very hardworking person, very sincere about my work. And I did do my workshop also. I learned this, skill. लेकिन फिर भी कुछ आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ता? And this is the same story with most of them. कुछ लोग तो आते हैं, वापस चले जाते हैं. Most of these people, they come, they go back, they come with so much of aspirations, and they have so much of dreams, in their heart कि we will become an actor, but somehow courses वगैरह भी करते हैं, फिर चले जाते हैं. So mostly, in short, I just want to say every time what happens, people do acquire a skill, but there is a lot more than they need to be successful, right? Ultimately, whatever you do, आप कितने भी courses कर लो, what is the ultimate thing that you want? You want to be successful. And how you can be successful? You need certain, you need to do certain things in a certain way, which probably you don't learn, till the time you actually come across somebody who tells you कि नहीं यार ऐसे से करते तो ऐसा हो जाता था. So then you feel कि अरे यार ये मुझे पहले किसी ने क्यों नहीं बताया. So this is what I also saw, that not wasted I can say, but yeah, I wish I did what I did today 10 years back. Then my probably career drive would have been different. Okay.
Different.
So I just thought that most of the schools, they teach you, yes, acting, but after that, then everybody's on their own, right? So what I wanted to do is to give them something more than that, to give them a hand holding, to teach them and prepare them how to succeed, because there are certain tools and techniques everybody needs to know if they want to succeed. And somehow, even after we acquire a skill, we are not aware of it, and that's why we fall, and probably takes a very longer time. People get disappointed, they probably forget about their dreams, they go back home, or they get disappointed, they get into things that they shouldn't be doing, certain things like that. and sometimes they get into depression because they are unable to achieve their goals and dreams. There's so many things that happen in their life which is very heartbreaking. So I wanted to help these young boys and girls, these youngsters, to achieve their dreams. This is my mission, basically, to help them achieve their dreams and help them and prepare them to succeed, not just become an actor, because आपके पास बहुत सारे schools हैं, आप कहीं से भी जाओ सीखो, लेकिन हाँ जो हम सिखा रहे हैं, I can definitely tell you it's going to be very different than any other school.
Wow. This is wonderful. So you were saying it is not just a course, it is something that you will guide them to be successful as well. Not just to become an
Yes.
actor, but also to how to
Yes.
become successful. This is
Yes.
very wonderful, and this is very innovative, I believe, because I also don't remember hearing something similar. So is there something that you are giving any offering to your people, some kind of, because people, anything you're
Yes,
offering for them?
yes, there is an offer right now going on. Actually, I was supposed to it was supposed to close by last night,
Okay.
yesterday's midnight, but I kind of extended it for another 2 days because of Bollywood Couch. I said let me just extend it for another 2
Oh, wow.
days. So
This is wonderful.
till tomorrow, people can register for 15 days free acting workshop. So
Oh,
anybody
wow.
want, they
This
can
is
go
wonderful.
on my Instagram. Please like and follow, and plus in the bio there's a link so they can register themselves, and they can,
Okay, so they just need to, okay, they just need to go to your Instagram page, like and follow you, and then where is the link that they can find?
in the bio there's a link, they can register themselves.
Oh, wow. So, and then they will be eligible for this 15 days
Yes.
free. Wow,
Yes.
this is wonderful. I believe everyone
Yes.
should give it a shot. There are so many viewers here who have loved all your characters. So I believe that they all will be going, and they'll definitely click on the button. I'm very sure. I'm very excited about it, actually.
You
This
can
is
also
great.
join my workshop.
Oh, lovely. Surely I will. Uh, there is one question that, say something about your new upcoming projects.
Well, this is the show which I'm doing, Ishq Par Zor Nahi. Actually, it was supposed to wrap up. So now it's got extended for another 3 months, which I'm very
Extended.
happy about. Yes, so we
Lovely.
are very happy about it. And there are a few things in pipeline. Once it's confirmed, so probably I can announce it then.
All your
There
fans
is
have loved it because, yeah, the extension news is so loved by everyone. The hearts had gone up the moment you mentioned that. Oh, okay. Okay, so one more question. We have heard about you working closely with young girls and women to help them come out of depression. So in this world, in many places, we all know that women are always, most of them are taken for granted. So according to you, how should one increase their self-esteem in spite of all the odds? In spite of all the odds.
First of all, you need to believe that you're important. See what happens to most of the girls, most of the women, that the way we are brought up in our culture, we are given the second priority. Men are more important. Sadly, it still exists, even though we talk about equality and all, but it still exists.
Equality.
So what is important, whether your family tells you, nobody tells you, doesn't matter. You are important. Okay? So you have to love yourself. You have to believe that you're important and you are the most precious creation of God. Okay? Without you, there wouldn't be any more creation happening. So God is using you for his other creations, So you are important, you are precious, and start giving time to yourself. Start learning some new skills and make sure that every day, no matter how busy you are, no matter whatever you need to do, or your household chores and all that, doesn't matter. You need to chalk out your day. You have to spare that 30 minutes in a day where you can have a me time, where you can learn what you want to learn, probably take up, take up a class, or you can now on YouTube you can learn so many things. So you can go on YouTube, you can learn something that you would love to learn, okay, something that is of your interest, and start growing. It's never stop learning. So the minute you start learning, you start enhancing your skills, you start slowly, you will feel confident, you will feel good about yourself, because you will be doing certain things. And knowledge is something that fills you up. Read books.
Yes.
If you when you're working, listen to a nice podcast, something inspirational, something that you can learn. Do that. This is what people don't do most of the time. Either they're listening to music, or they are either watching TV. I would love them to watch TV shows, because I the shows that I'm doing, I'm not saying that, but the time when the show is not on air, like the whole day is there, when from morning, like 7 o'clock you wake up till 7:39. My show comes at 9:30, so till before that you have enough time. So please spare some time when you're doing cooking or something. Put a podcast, listen to that, and you don't have to watch it. You just listen to a podcast. वीडियो भी चला दो, चलेगा. YouTube वीडियो आप सुनते रहो, और जब टाइम मिले, आप रिलैक्स करने चाह रहे हो, आप आंख बंद करो. अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज जरूर करो. एक्सरसाइज करते हो तो आपको एक एनर्जी लेवल मिलता है. And when you don't exercise, what happens? Your body starts feeling, in fact your energy levels are low. थोड़ा उसमें क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बढ़ता है जब आपकी एनर्जी लेवल हाई होती है. तो वो सब चीजें, और फिर अपने ब्यूटी का भी ध्यान रखो. मैं कहूंगी, टेक पैम्पर योरसेल्फ, अपना स्किन का ध्यान करो, अपने ऊपर ध्यान दो. द मिनट यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, that you will start feeling confident. When you look at yourself in the mirror, say that I'm beautiful, I love you, say that to yourself. So that is so important. And slowly you will fall in love with yourself. Trust me. Wow. And automatically you will be like absolutely confident, and your self-esteem will be like really high.
Yeah, so truly said, that everything starts with the self-love. If you don't love yourself, then we can't expect the other person to love us or respect us. So I believe the self-love is important. That I think very rightly mentioned by you. Me time is important, and always learning something new is important. This is wonderful, All right, so now you're coming to the end of the interview. It's very sad that Instagram only allows one hour of the Insta Live. So we would have really loved to, go on with it. So towards the end of it, any message for our audience?
Yes, I would like to say that what exactly do we need in life? We need happiness, right? We need love. We need to succeed in life. These are the three things. These are the three. That's why I call my mission in life as Mission LHS: love, happiness, and success. So I would want to say that why don't all of you join hands in making this mission like really successful. You can do it in your own small way. You don't have to actually start a revolution or anything. You don't need to do that. Wherever you are, you can just be an instrument of spreading love, of being kind to somebody, especially start from home. I always say that, because there is a ripple effect. What you do, the energy that you create in your own house carries with you when you step out of your house. And that's how different energies, like every person, when we go out, they're carrying different energies. So somebody, if most of the homes are having fights or strife at home, obviously you can understand what is going to happen in the world. There's going to be violence, there's going to be a lot of unhappiness, there's going to be a lot of wrong things, there's going to be a lot of it will be disturbing, right? So we see that same thing in the offices. People are not happy, they're cribbing, they're complaining, they're just bitching, they're just talking. So there's a lot of negativity. So I would say, let's stop negativity. Let's stop all this, starting from home itself. Be kind to your spouse, be kind to your probably your parents, be kind to your children, or children be kind to your, similarly vice versa. And
Parents, yeah.
start from home. I would say that start from home. And when you get out of the house, you'll be so happy that, okay, today I'm so good to okay, I didn't react in that fashion to my spouse like that. I didn't talk in this fashion to my parent. I didn't say this thing to my child. So that feeling of satisfaction is so strong that when you go out, to step out, and with that confidence, when you tell yourself that, okay, again the same thing, मैं आज का दिन अच्छा behave करूंगा. If you just tell that to yourself,
lovely.
मैं आज का दिन
Lovely.
अच्छा behave करूंगा, मैं आज का दिन self control रखूंगा, मैं आज का दिन प्यार से बोलूंगा, मैं आज का दिन ऑफिस में जाके किसी से ऐसे लड़ूंगा नहीं. If you just start doing that, you won't believe this world will become a beautiful place.
Happy
and it
place.
is everybody responsibility. ये कोई जसविंदर कुछ नहीं कर सकती, कोई मारती कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Everybody has to do, because we all need
Has
to
to
live
do
in a
that.
beautiful world, right?
Beautiful
Happy world.
yes.
खाली मुझे नहीं रहना है, सबको
Wow.
रहना है. तो आप सब
This is such a
इसे हाँ.
It's such a beautiful message by you, actually.
Thank you.
So it's very easy to remember. You mentioned about LSH, right? Love, happiness, and success. This
Yes.
is such a wonderful, and to be kind to one another. Lovely.
Yes.
So one last question: any special message for Bollywood Couch?
Oh, yes, of course. You know what? Trust me, I am so impressed by you guys. The best part is that this is a platform which is empowering women and inspiring the youth. I'm telling you, y'all are doing an amazing job. Hats off to y'all and congratulations, and wish y'all all the best. You are doing a fantastic job, and continue to inspire people, because we need more people like you. Trust me.
Wow.
And I'm so happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you
And
so
I'm
much.
so happy to
You're
know
really
that-
obliged.
No, I'm saying I'm so happy to know that your company has all these women entrepreneurs. I mean, really impressed to know that.
We have.
So
we
you have
have,
this
yeah,
women
we
power. Wow, amazing. Women are powerful. So good, you're doing
This
a
is
fantastic
wonderful.
job, and I'm really glad to be here. It's really been an honor.
Yeah, we are too very much happy and glad, and so much. Thank you so much for sharing so many good things about us. This is really so much motivation for us. And also, you have really inspired us to go a long way again. This is so wonderful.
Thank you so much.
So I think, yeah, we don't have much time to be taking the audience questions. So I would request the audience to message us, drop us a message if you want to know anything about Jaswinder. Maybe we can get in touch with her, and she can revert back to us. So because we
Sure.
would not be able to take lot of questions, I would just, before closing the interview, I would just like to share about, I would like to thank all our associates, and would also like to share that, like you mentioned about the woman and woman empowerment.
Empowerment,
We are
yes.
we are trying to promote a bunch of women entrepreneurs who are trying to do something on their own and
Wow.
contribute the best to the country. Yeah. So we have this small, we have these brands with us who have, we are the beauty partner Vedi, accessories partner Truly Vittala, then community partner We is again a woman entrepreneur enclave, and food partner Machi, and education partner SSS Academy. And they are all women whom we are, trying to help one another.
Nice.
And
Nice.
we also have with us our brand partners, our food partner Indie Fair, our makeup and hair partner Deshanu Bora, and our media partner in Expansion Digital PR. So this was really wonderful to have you, Jaswinder, with us. It was absolute pleasure.
Thank you.
We just have to, and thank you to all the audience for being here. We are very sorry we would not be able to take the questions, but you can definitely leave a message to us. We will get back to you, and we will answer. We'll get the reply from you, from Jaswinder. Thank you so much, Jaswinder. Anything?
Yes, thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thank you. And one thing, there's been one question, somebody's been asking this question again and again. Yes, Ishq Par Zor Nahi is extended. So I'm very happy to announce that. So y'all can also, be happy now. All
They
of
have
these
loved
guys
it,
were
actually.
really, expecting that it gets extended. And thanks to all of them. It's because of their love and support that today, our show has got extended. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Love you all.
Thank you so much for being there. And everyone, I think I am definitely going to join your, starting workshop of 15 days for acting. And I'm
Please
sure
do that.
everyone else would be. This is lovely
Yes,
to have
thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much and wishing you all the success.
Thank
All
you
the
so
best.
much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you so
Thank you.
much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.